أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. All of Muslim brothers and sisters in Islam, a Chinese Dakwah Council nowadays is going to build and develop a third-story building for Quranic memorization students in Academic Dakwah of Aceh. I myself as Director of Academic Dakwah of Aceh. We need any support from any donators, especially Muslim brothers and sisters all over the world, anywhere and anytime, because we are going to finish this infrastructure, especially three-story building. This is we use for Quran memorization, Quranic memorizations, and we teach all of the students coming from Aceh borders with North Sumatra, from Aceh Singkil and Subul Salam and Aceh Tamiang and Aceh Tenggara. We teach them free of charge, because we need to spread dawah all over Aceh, especially in the border of Aceh, so that we need all of our Muslim brothers and sisters to donate this, to help this, because we all of the members of Dakwah Aceh and our Dakwah Board of Aceh are starting to do this and to work for Dakwah and to spread Dakwah and to help them, especially those who are in the border. Thank you very much for your contribution to Islam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.